If you've been wondering how to enable Codex 5.3 in Cursor AI, you're in the right place. In this quick tutorial, I'll show you the exact steps to turn it on so you can start using the model inside Cursor without confusion. This is a simple setting change, but if you don't know where to look, it can be easy to miss. If this video helps you out, please hit like and subscribe for more easy AI and software tutorials. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open Cursor AI on your computer. Once the app is open, look for the gear icon. That gear icon is where all of your cursor settings are stored, so click on it to open the settings menu. After the settings panel appears, you want to find the models section. This is the area where Cursor lets you choose and manage the different models available to use. Now that you're in models, look for Codex 5.3 in the list. Depending on your version of Cursor and your current setup, it may already appear as an available option, but just be turned off. If that's the case, all you need to do is enable it by turning the toggle on. Once the toggle is switched on, Codex 5.3 will be active and ready to use inside Cursor AI. If you do not see it right away, take a moment to make sure you are in the correct Models tab and that your Cursor app is updated to the latest version. Sometimes model options can appear differently depending on updates, account settings, or rollout availability. So if you're not seeing the option immediately, double check those areas before assuming it isn't there. Once Codex 5.3 is enabled, you can go back to your workspace and start using it for your coding tasks, prompts, and AI-assisted workflow. This can help you speed up development, improve productivity, and make Cursor even more powerful for everyday work. The whole process only takes a few seconds once you know where the setting is, and that's it. You've now learned how to enable Codex 5.3 in Cursor AI by opening Cursor settings, going to Models, and turning the toggle on. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next Cursor AI guide. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.